JLP, it's so fast moving and we sell so many different things, from hummus to boots to televisions, that the data is flying all over the place all the time. And with 60% of sales online, any modern retailer has to become a data business to some extent.
Together we have about 20 million customers a year, roughly. Waitrose is about 7.5 billion turnover, John Lewis 4.5, so together about 12. We started offering Multiverse because part of the data strategy for the partnership was around self-serve and education and engagement. When they're reading reports, when they're thinking about making decisions, if data was 10% more present, just imagine how powerful that could be.
We have around 600 data apprentices across the business. They're being able to implement what they're learning in their day-to-day, and we're starting to see that in the returns on investment. It's really brilliant to see that in play across the partnership.
The dashboard that Simon was able to roll out absolutely linked to us delivering our customer experience expectations, and it also enabled the business to look at different themes across the estate.
The purpose of the dashboard that I created was to bring all of the information together from observations on service interactions. Seeing that it's had 30,000 uses would say it's accomplished that. The two shops that used it most had the best, or at least in the top 3 or 4 shops in the business, for improvement in customer service during that time. I've moved roles since I'm now brand experience manager. I used an example from my apprenticeship in my interview when I got the job.
Completing the programme and having that confidence and the skills to back up that confidence has meant that my job has become even more varied. Being able to learn and implement as you go, it meant that you were kind of building on those skills week in, week out, month in, month out. The Multiverse programme demystified pivot tables for me. It has boosted my profile within the business. The model that was used within my programme was really, really helpful. So we had the pre-work, but then also the support from your coach. Just being able to ask for advice and kind of have that resource there is absolutely immeasurable.
We had the group sessions. It was actually quite nice when other people had the same challenges as you, but also other people would have solutions to them, so you could work together as a team.
What Multiverse promised and have delivered is the whole wrapper around the courses. And so all of the enthusiasm, explanation, engaging the rest of the business, Multiverse have taken that on.
I would absolutely recommend the Multiverse programme to anyone.
If you've got the chance, you'd be crazy to not do it.
Take the support that you're being given, carve out time. It's really imperative that that colleague is supported, that you will reap the rewards from that.
The needs of the future are going to be so different from now in terms of UK retail. We can spend time trying to figure out what these changes are going to be, or we could do the foundational work in getting a culture of learning and development across every single level into our business. And that's what this scheme does.